Hello friends, welcome to Power BI tutorial. Today we will discuss what is stack column chart in Power BI. So as I mentioned here, stack column chart is useful to compare multiple dimensions against a single measure. So as you see here we have four regions in x-axis. You can see here this is east, west, central and south, and against each measure we are comparing multiple categories. So if you see here this is east section, and under east section we are comparing multiple product categories. See, this one is furniture sales, and this one is office sales, and this one is technology sales under east region. Same for west. See, this one is furniture sales under west region, this one is office supply sales under west, and this one is technology sales under west. Same for central and same for south. So according to definitions, stack column chart is useful to compare multiple dimensions against a single measure. So this one is single measures, and here we are comparing multiple dimensions. So hope you clear the definition of stack column charts, and now move to the practical part. So for this we need a stack column chart. So under visualizations, double click to stack column chart, and this one is stack column chart visual. Now I will drag region under axis, and product category under legend, and sales under value section. Each one is single measure, and under each we are comparing multiple dimensions like in terms of technologies, office supplies and furnitures. Now we will set font size and font family for stack column chart. So for this, select stack column chart, then go to format tab, and under format tab we have many properties in terms of journal, legend, x-axis, y-axis, data colors and data labels. So from general property you can set x position, y position, width and height for stack column chart, and from legend you can manage the legend properties. Right now legend is in top position. Suppose I select center right. Now my legend position has been changed, and now I select top center. See, and you can also on off the title for legend. So right now my legend title is product category, you can see here, and I turned off the title for legend. See, and also you can rename the legend, and from here you can change the font color for region. So I select blue color. See, and now I change the font family for legend, and I set font size 15 pixel. So you from here you can manage the legend properties. In x-axis you can change the font color for x-axis, and you can set the font size. Suppose I select font size 15 pixel, and I select Arial in font family. And also you can manage minimum category width, maximum size and inner padding between x-axis. See here. So from here you can manage the inner padding between x-axis measures. And also you can turn on and turn off the title for x-axis. So right now my title is region. So when I turn off the title, see, now title has been disabled. And you can play with y-axis properties. Right now my y-axis position is in left. You can select the right. See, now y-axis position has been changed, and now I'm selecting left again. And from here you can change font color. I select blue, and then I select 15 pixel for y-axis, and I select font family Arial. And right now my display unit is in million, so you can convert the display unit as well. So we have millions, billions and trillions options. So suppose I select billion. Now my display unit has been changed, and for time being I'm selecting auto. And also you can turn off the title for y-axis. Right now my title is sales, so you just turn off the title. Second thing is here you have one more option, grid lines. So you can see here in y-axis I have one grid lines, so you can increase the stroke width of grid lines. Suppose I select 3 stroke width, and I select line style dash, and then I select line style solid. See, so from here you can manage the y-axis grid line. For time being, I am changing stroke with 3 to 1 and I select any style dotted. Okay, so from here you can manage the grid lines. And from data colors you can change the colors for your measures. Suppose for furnitures I select yellow color, and for office supplies I select sky blue color, and for technology color is okay. So from here you can manage the color for your chart. Now turn on the data label, so you will see all sales, and from here you can change the position of your sales label. So right now position is auto, so you can select the inside end, you can see here, and you can select inside base, and you can set inside center. See, so from here you can manage the sales label for your chart, and also you can change the color. So suppose I select black color for data labels. And now we have one more property, title. So right now my title is sales by region and product category. So from here you can change the title name for your chart, and also you can change the font color. Suppose I select font color blue, and I increase the text size for title, see, and I change the font family Arial. So from here you can manage the title for your chart. Now I turn on the border, and I select border color light gray. So see, so that is all about the stack column chart, and I hope you clear the definition of stack column chart and how you will set the font size, font family, background color, x-axis color and y-axis color for stack column chart. Thank you guys.